Hey everyone, my name's Amy from craftcuts.com, and today I'm going to teach you how to stud mount and hang metal lettering. I'm going to hang a letter V. Let's talk about the materials you'll need. Mounting studs, the template, some painter's tape, a level, a hammer, a nail or a center punch, a drill and drill bit, and construction adhesive. First, screw the mounting studs into the pre-tapped holes of your letter. This particular letter is 1/4 inch thickness. You can order metal letters anywhere from 1/8 inch to 1 inch thickness. Keep in mind that the 1/8 inch metal letters do not come pre-tapped. Next, let's tape up the template. Use your level to make sure it's straight on the wall. Using a nail or the center punch, mark your stud placement circles. Now that you've got your placement, take down the template and drill into your marks using a drill bit that's slightly larger than your mounting studs. Insert the studs into the holes and take a good look to make sure your letter looks good, or if you need to make some adjustments. Use the construction adhesive to coat your studs and the holes. Place your letter back on the wall and use painter's tape to keep it in place until the adhesive sets. If you want to add a little more depth to your letters, you can order spacers to go over the mounting studs before you place them on the wall. Use this same stud mounting technique for outdoor projects too. While stud mounting is the sturdiest way to hang metal letters, you can also use adhesive strips on the thinner letters. Just be sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions and guidelines if you want to go this route. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial on how to hang metal letters. As always, our customer service team is here to help if you have any questions. See you next time.